How to log into your Truist Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Truist Bank's online banking account. So to do that, first of all, launch any web browser on your mobile device or a desktop, and in the web address bar simply type in Truist Bank. Now tap on the first option, which is truist.com. After that, it will take you to the official homepage of Truist Bank, which is this right over here, and near the right side of the screen you can see the login box on purple. So in order to log into your account, simply enter your user ID, your password, and once you tap on the option sign in, you will have successfully logged in or signed into your Truist Bank's online banking account. But in any case, if you forgot your user ID or your password, you can simply reset them or recover them by tapping either one of these options. So if you forgot your user ID, you can simply tap on this one and recover it, and if you forgot your password, you can simply reset it by tapping the option reset password. So that is basically how you log into your Truist Bank's online banking account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.